A payment method can be declined on Uber Eats for a number of reasons. Incorrect card number. It's crucial to enter the correct card number to avoid payment declines. Even a single incorrect digit can lead to a declined payment. Take your time and enter the card number carefully to ensure a successful transaction. Expired card. The card has expired. It's a common oversight to use an expired card, especially if you haven't received or remembered to use the replacement. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Locked card. Some banks offer the option to temporarily lock your card if it's lost or stolen. If you've locked your credit or debit card, it will be declined as a payment method on Uber Eats. Be sure to unlock your card before making a purchase. Insufficient funds. If you're using a debit card and there's not enough money in your account, the bank may decline the payment. Keep in mind that overdrafts are not guaranteed, so it's important to have sufficient funds in your account. Fraud. The bank that issued your card may reject the charge from Uber if it suspects you didn't initiate the transaction. Fraudulent transactions are a good reason to decline payment methods. Transaction limit. If the credit limit of your credit card is too low, then the bank may reject your transaction. Some banks may also limit the maximum amount you can spend per day or per week. These are some of the reasons Uber Eats may reject the payment method.